What's up, traders? I'm back with another video, and in this video we're just going to have a look at DAX, NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So we're just going to observe what price is currently doing, whether we think the market is gonna go, and where we possibly going to get our interbank setups. So we're going to start with the DAX, the German 30 chart, and then we're going to start on a daily time frame, as you can see in this chart here, in my chart here. So basically price is currently trading inside this consolidation here, small consolidation, as you can see. So we can expect price to maybe break out of this consolidation, but what I expect to see, or what I want to see, is that I want to see price going to this level, this high, and taking them out, and then we can expect to sell from there. So that's basically what I want to see. If price goes up to those levels, and then on the 15 minutes time frame, I'm possibly going to get the interbank sell setup. So that's what I expect from DAX. And then after that, we can see it maybe going down to take out this low here, or maybe not taking it out, but DAX right now is currently in just the consolidation, and then it's different from the other indices, but you will see as we proceed in our video. So let's drop down to the 15 minutes time frame chart here and see what I expect, or how I approach the market each and every single day when I'm trading. So basically, now that I have the direction, like I have an idea where I want to see DAX going and whatever. On the 15 minutes time frame is simple. I just mark my interbank levels each and every day. So the interbank strategy is a plug and play strategy. Basically, I've simplified everything so that you can just plug and play each and every single day. So I'm just going to mark my interbank strategy levels here with my Fibonacci. So as you can see, what I expect to see right now is basically maybe if price drops to this level, I'm going to buy, and then expect it to go up and take profit here. And then another thing, if price right now, as you can see, is currently giving us a straightaway trade here. Let me just enter it on my MT4, and basically because this is a straightaway interbank setup, and DAX wants to go up. So it's a straightaway interbank setup. Basically what I do, what we can do is just get in a long position here like this, and then stop loss, and then possibly TP here, you see. So that's how you approach trading, guys. You have to approach it that way. So the reason why I say it's a straightaway setup is because of this level here. Price is currently has reversed at the 75% interbank buy level, which is the STA setup. So possibly price is going to go up today and then goes to these levels, basically maybe drop down like this. I want to see it do that. If I see rejection at these levels, I'm going to sell. So if I see any sign of rejection at these interbank levels, I'm going to sell DAX, and then I'm going to take my profit here. So let's go have a look at US100, which is NASDAQ. Also with NASDAQ, we start from the daily time frame. And this one is very interesting because it's moving nicely. Yesterday, price just opened and then just dropped. It didn't even give us a setup. And then that's because on Friday it was a holiday. It was a bank holiday. So they have to cover that void or that range from Friday. So that's why we saw a drop yesterday. So currently with NASDAQ, what we have on NASDAQ is this. We have this high, and then we have this low. So my guess is that NASDAQ is going to continue to go down just to take out this low here. Take out the stops below this low, and then After that, we can see maybe a reversal to the upside or whatever, but that's a long-term price action because this is a daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we just want to see the direction where we think the market is going. And then once we have that direction, on the 15 minutes time frame, we have an idea where the market is going to go and what type of setup we are waiting for. So just like that, it's a simple thing. And then also we drop down to the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame is the same thing with DEX. It's a plug and play thing. So I'm just gonna plug and play my interbank levels. Let price play out the way I expect it to play out. So basically, we're just gonna get our interbank levels. So these are our interbank levels for the day on NASDAQ. So what I expect to see here, I expect to see price going up just like this to these levels and then selling off from here. So basically, I'm just gonna see it selling off from here just so that they can take out this low, and this low. So basically, when I see price action like this, I remember the Steve Marrow classes with the mentorship, which I took back in 2015 or something. He used to say there are 3 pushes. So you're going to get one push and then a retracement, and then you get a second push and then a retracement, and then you get a third push up. After you get a third push, that's when the market is going to reverse. So this is currently what I see on NASDAQ right now. So until price reaches, maybe I can buy here, but it's risky for me because I like to trade with perfect entries. I just want that high probability setup and then go all in on it. That's how I approach the market. So I'm gonna wait for price to go up, and then I don't get FOMO, guys. Don't get FOMO when price goes up. You're not missing out on anything. The best trade that you can wait for and you wanna be in is when there's a setup at this interbank levels. There's a sell setup. That's when you enter, because this move after, if there's a high probability setup at this level, you're going to see price moving down aggressively. They can cover this range with just 2 candlesticks or 3 candlesticks and then hit your TP. That's how you approach the market. And then let's have a look at Dow Jones, the Dow Jones, which is US30. And the same thing with Dow Jones, we go to the daily time frame just to get our direction. So with the Dow Jones, it's the same, it's basically the same with NASDAQ. And you can see that they left DEX. So DEX has its own goal right now because these things move the same way. They have to move the same way, the 3 of them. But DEX is in a consolidation and these ones are moving. So right now we have this high and this low that we can expect price to go to. And then yesterday we saw price just dropping down, just like with the NASDAQ. And then what I see now, like we can expect to price to continue to go lower so that it can take out this low here. But anything can happen, guys. Is the market price action can change. That's why with the interbank strategy, we just mark our interbank levels and then we wait for price to react at those levels. So it can react here at this buy levels, interbank buy levels, or the sell levels. The most important thing is for price to get to our level so that we can buy or sell. So right now, the direction we got it, we think the market is going to go lower. And then once we have that directional bias, we go to the 15 minutes time frame. The 15 minutes time frame, we do the same thing. It's a plug and play thing. So we have our interbank sell levels here. This is the 75% and the 100% interbank level. And the same 75 and 100%. So we're going to see price is doing the same thing